Hello and welcome to MillionAlgo. Many of you have followed our live trading signals on YouTube, and I'm sure you've discovered how easy and rewarding it is to use the MillionAlgo indicators in your trading. Some of you have asked for a tutorial on setting up the indicators as seen on the live signal stream, and so here we have a tutorial just for you. First, you will need to request access to the MillionAlgo indicators if you don't already have one installed on a premium account. Next, go to the indicators and select MillionAlgo VIP. Here are the settings. Take a screenshot if you'd like, and you can set this up on your own page. These are the settings we use on the live signal stream. When you're done, press OK. Now add another indicator to the chart. Go to the indicator list and select Breakout Busters. Here are the settings. Press OK and you're good to go. Here's how the strategy works. When the smart signal, the dot appears, it's an indication that a potential entry is coming. In this case, it will be a buy entry. Wait for the record signal to appear, which in this case is a buy signal. We have the buy signal now. It's very important to wait for the signal candle to fully close before entering. You can place your stop loss at either the recommended stop loss level or at the previous swing low, whichever is closer. For your take profit, set it to a level with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Let's see how the trade goes. In this case, we hit take profit with ease. For most of us, we don't want to be in front of the screen all the time, so we can set alerts to notify us when any of the signals are triggered. Here's how to do that. Click on the Alert tab and choose MillionAlgo VIP. For now, just select any alert function and you're done. Next, go to the Notifications section where you can choose the apps to send the alerts to, either your phone or tablet if you have the TradingView app installed, or you can choose to receive the alerts on your desktop or laptop. You'll see the alerts on your screen, or you can opt to have them sent to your email, though email notifications can be slower. You can also choose a sound that plays when an alert is triggered, or just receive a plain text notification. Press Create, and you're all set. I hope you have a great time using this strategy with MillionAlgo VIP, which is just one of the many strategies available with MillionAlgo VIP and the other MillionAlgo indicators, such as Smart Money and Breakout Buster, along with many others. If you have any further questions, please contact MillionAlgo support. Thank you.